Yeah, get you some. Get you some. Focus on the rail on the fence.
Damn, look at that ass.